have something super exciting that I want to show you at the airport. I'm not sure if you're going to be super excited about it, but I am, because this change is coming and I'm so excited for it. So I'm going to show you that when we get to the airport. Okay, I am at Detroit and I am so excited. I am walking all the way down to the end of the terminal to gate A10 to show you the new restrooms they've been installing. Oh my gosh, look at the new lighted signage. It's so much easier to see the restrooms from outside. Apparently they took everything down to the studs. Look at the sleek walls and the new flooring, and the mirror is the opposite side of the hall. And look at the stalls. You can tell who's occupying the stalls because they've got these awesome lights above the stalls. They're either green if it's ready or red if someone's in there. But folks, look at this. There's a latch that actually latches and keeps the door in place. Hello. And you can't see inside the stall anymore. There's no crack. I'm absolutely in love with the new door. Love it. No more looking through the crack in the door to see if someone's in there. The shelf is a little kind of weird. It's way back there and up high. I don't know how people are going to access it. And what puzzles me is these two hooks are over the toilet seat cover and the sanitary napkin disposable trash bin. Kind of gross. You've never seen a happy dance in a bathroom stall before. Yes, overall, I'm still quite happy about the new stalls. Right. Way better. Okay, enough dancing in the stall. Let's get to the sinks and look at those. Okay, this is so much better. There are stools underneath the sink, and each sink is oversized with a lighted mirror above it. It has its individual hand dryer, soap dispenser. When you pay for a ticket, you're paying for the whole experience. So this is important. And we are at gate A10. I walked all the way down here to videotape this awesome new bathroom. Please comment and tell me how much you love these new bathrooms, because I cannot be the only one that loves it, and I'm thinking I'm crazy right now for being so excited about it.